Dear friend, the spaghetti stir fried is ready, and the way it takes and how it looks, if you don't take care, you eat till you get sick. Oba! Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make stir fried. They call it assorted stir fried. When it is made with egg, sausage, chicken and whatever, but it just stir fried or Chinese style stir fried. Not too much talking. It is just going to be delicious and simple. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's quickly go through the ingredient we are going to use to make spaghetti stir fried pro mass. It's pro mass because you can see the ingredients around. So I have my 1 pack of spaghetti. This is 500 grams. I have my dark soy sauce, spring onion, scotch bonnet or paposhito, red pepper or pimento, 1 large onion, garlic I'm not going to use, so I will use just about 4 cloves. I have cabbage, I have ginger, carrot, green pepper, sausage, my vegetable oil, and dear friend, let's learn something small before we continue. First of all, when you are boiling pasta, make sure the water is enough to cover the whole pasta. That will make sure we have even distribution of heat when cooking the pasta. And also you have to add enough salt. It should be a little salty so that when after the cooking the pasta you want to flush the pasta with a little cold water, you can do so, but I don't even advise that. Just put it in the colander, strain it in a big pan, and you are good to go. Okay, so after here, why we add salt in the beginning of boiling your water? This one I'm adding in because of educational purpose, because as soon as I add it, you can see the bubbles have started coming up. This is because when you add salt in the beginning of boiling any water, it makes the water boil faster. Reason is that the heat capacity of salt is lesser than that of water. So when you add salt to water, it makes the boiling time less. Again, let me try to make it a bit simpler. Let's say when you are heating salt, it heats faster than that of water. So once you add it, it also reduces the heating time of water when you add the salt to it. I hope you get me now. And don't forget to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to your pasta. This will make the pasta not to stick to each other. Another thing we are going to learn is how to open a pack of pasta. Sometimes you don't know whether to cut it, to use your teeth to open it, to melt the plastic. You don't know what to do. So in some way, just hold the pasta very firm and then hit one end of the pasta on a hard surface, and the top will be popped open, as you can see here. Very easy, very easy. I think this one I don't have to explain it further. And when the water is boiling, this one is already around 100 degrees Celsius, so we can put the pasta. Always put your pasta in the boiling water. Don't start with the cold water. And then you just try to open it gently into the water like this. Easy. And because the water is already boiling, you can stir it and everything will flip inside gently into the hot water. This is how you do it. Once everything is inside, stop stirring it and stir it after 1 minute so that it will prevent the pasta from sticking to each other. This is the best way you can cook your pasta. And whenever you are boiling pasta, they always have the cooking instruction here. So that is the timing. So if you want your pasta to be al dente, so in Italy they don't eat soft pasta. Their pasta is al dente or a bit hard, especially in the middle. Then if you want it like the way Ghana we want it, the normal you cook it for 10 minutes. So al dente Italian style, even that's how I want it, 8 minutes and then 10 minutes. But it depends on the pasta, because this pasta is, or this spaghetti is very thin. That's why it's 8 minutes. Sometimes even al dente will take you 12 minutes. So always watch the timing or the cooking instruction on the pasta before you boil, so that you don't overcook or undercook your pasta. Dear friend, as I said earlier on that I don't like cooling my pasta under running water. This is because you saw how cloudy the water we used to cook the pasta was. And the reason is that we've lost a lot of starch from the pasta. And we are eating the pasta because of the starch or the carbohydrate. So if you are going to wash it under running water again, we are going to lose a lot of starch. So I will just put in a very big bowl, flip it for the first 1 to 2 minutes so that the pasta will cool faster to stop the cooking process. Quickly, dear friend, let's check the vegetables. I cut them into julienne sizes. It looks very beautiful. And the garlic and the ginger and the scotch bonnet, I chop them coarsely. And everything is ready for us to go. And if you check the vegetables, the first part is what I'm going to use to start the cooking process. That is the garlic, the scotch bonnet, and the carrot and the onion. Then the green pepper, the red pepper, and the cabbage will go last, as well as the spring onion. So Charlie, let's go to the stove. Yeah, friend. So first, we will saute the chicken sausage till it is golden brown. We set it aside and continue with our cooking process. Dear friend, I will add water at this stage to make sure especially the carrot is cooked through, followed by the dark soy sauce. I'm putting the red pepper, so the red pepper will not. Dear friend, I'll put in the egg at this stage and cover it for it to coagulate or solidify before I stir it. When you stir it, as soon as you put it inside, it will be tiny inside and you can see there is egg inside, especially when you are making just one portion to sell. That's why you have to let your egg solidify before you stir it. I've added the pasta, it's very dry. I have sprinkled some water on it to loosen it so that I can easily stir it. This is how you should cook your pasta. Time to add the green pepper and the spring onion, because the pasta is almost done, so that we will maintain the green color of our vegetables. Time to add the chicken sausage. Oba, Charlie, this one there, it tastes so good. Dear friend, this is the end product of our spaghetti stir fried, and I cannot describe it for you to understand it. You have to taste it yourself. I know you will try this at home. It tastes so yummy. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and God bless us all. Adieu. I cannot stop eating.